Hey there, this is the AI version of me you're listening to right now. Now, before you scroll away, stick with me on this one. Because what this AI builds by the end of this video, honestly, even I wasn't expecting it to turn out that good. What if I told you I built an entire website from scratch using just AI? No templates, no drag and drop, just me giving instructions to Abacus and Claude AI and watching it code in real time. Instead of spending days hand coding or hiring a developer, I decided to use Abacus. It helped me to build the whole thing live. What you're watching right now is the actual screen recording of that session. So here, I gave Abacus the brief, what the site needs, the sections, the overall feel. And just watch how fast it starts generating clean, structured code. We're talking HTML, CSS, layout, content, all coming together in seconds. Now, this is where it gets interesting. I'm reviewing what Abacus built, making small adjustments, asking for tweaks, and it responds instantly. Change the color scheme? Done. Add a new section? Done. This back and forth is what makes AI-assisted development so powerful. You stay in control. The AI just removes the grunt work. And now, this is what I was talking about. You're looking at the actual finished website. This is what came out of that coding session, a clean, professional site for UAC. Look at the layout, the structure, the navigation. Everything flows. The sections are well organized, the design is modern, and it's fully responsive. This isn't a mock-up or a preview, this is the real, live result. As you scroll through, notice how every section serves a purpose. The content is clear, the spacing is balanced, and it looks like something a professional agency would charge thousands for. But this was built in minutes, through a conversation with AI. That's the power of knowing how to use these tools the right way. This is what I do. I combine AI tools with real-world strategy to build websites, content systems, and digital solutions for clients around the world. Now, if you want to try powerful AI tools yourself, I've left my Abacus AI referral link in the description. Sign up through that link and you'll get your first month at a 30% discount. And speaking of tools that changed my workflow, let me talk about Starlink for a second. For smooth working, reliable internet isn't a luxury, it's everything. Starlink gave me the kind of connection I need to work with clients across the world without buffering, without dropouts, without excuses. If you've been thinking about getting Starlink, I've put my referral link in the description as well. Use it, and you'll be supporting this channel while getting yourself connected to one of the fastest satellite internet services on the planet. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe. I've got a lot more builds, tools, and real-world tech coming your way. See you in the next one.